The surf bag just arrived, so let's unbox it, make sure it's everything that it's meant to be. Okay, so we obviously still have to clean up the mess. My beautiful angel child. Oh yeah, Tommy. It's also got an itch. Okay, so this is the surf bag. Oh, it is so beautiful. And honestly, these wheels are probably the sexiest thing about the board. Because if you travel and you surf, you know how crazy it is to carry a board around the airport. But this is her. Time to add some memories to her.